Atlanta-based Delta Airlines may be flying into a whole new kind of delivery service. CNN's Sabeel Marcellus joins us now from the NASDAQ market site in New York. Good morning, Sabeel. And what is this about Delta making deliveries possibly?
Good morning, Chesley. That's right. Everything from shoes to thousands of other things we order online could be coming to our doorstep courtesy of Delta. Delta is helping get all those online shopping orders to your home. The airline is using space in its cargo holds to carry tens of thousands of packages a day. The space has opened up as more flyers go with carry-ons. Delta connects with trucking companies via a tech platform to drop off and then pick up the parcels for delivery. For businesses, the passenger airlines can be a much cheaper option for shipping items. The Wall Street Journal says Delta aims to deliver hundreds of thousands of packages a day in the U.S. in the coming years. UPS, by contrast, delivered an average of 19 million packages a day domestically last year. So, Chesley, Delta still has a long way to go there to catch up.
Yes, they do. All right. Speaking of catching up, you got some new numbers about home sales, but they're not what we may expect, huh?
That's right. A sharper than expected drop in sales of new single-family homes, Chesley. They tumbled 13.7% in May, according to U.S. Census data. That was a drop of 6.3% from last May, and the figures were weaker than expected. The slump in sales came as mortgage rates on a 30-year fixed loan climbed in May. Rates started the month around 6.83%, then hit 7% before falling back a bit. And economists say the higher rates and economic uncertainty has slowed the usually busy spring housing market. But the slower sales did push up inventory, with 507,000 new homes available at the end of May. And that was a 3-year high, Chesley.
Sticking with our homes, right? Two mortgage giants taking a fresh look at crypto.
That's right, Chesley. You'll want to have all your assets available to list on a mortgage application, and you may soon be able to use any cryptocurrency holdings you have to get that mortgage. The Trump administration has told Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac to look at ways to count crypto as an asset on home loan applications. The directive means borrowers would not have to liquidate Bitcoin and other crypto holdings before they close on a mortgage. Presently, crypto is not considered on home loan applications due to volatility and uncertainty around the asset. The move shows crypto's growing acceptance as a mainstream asset, and it's also in keeping with President Trump's efforts to make the U.S. the crypto capital of the world. The next step is for Fannie and Freddie to come up with proposals on how to accept cryptocurrency as an asset for mortgages.
Wow.
Chesley, this could be a game changer.
Yeah, it could. It could if it happens. Let's see. Finally, you have a popular dating app making a bold move that shake up more than just our love lives.
Chesley, dating apps have been restructuring as younger users become turned off by online swiping. And now Bumble is slashing nearly 30% of its workforce. The job cuts will affect about 240 workers at the dating app. It comes as Bumble and other dating platforms deal with slow growth and falling stock prices. Dating apps are trying to find ways to attract younger users, Chesley. The CEO of Bumble said the company, along with the online dating industry, is at an inflection point. Bumble hopes the job cuts allow it to change its structure and speed up how it operates. One of the efforts is to be able to launch new products faster to boost growth. Chesley.
I see. All right. Sabeel Marcellus, thanks so much for joining us. Thanks for all that information.
Thanks, Chesley.
All right. Take care.